my goodness. And you guys see the interior on this joint. Red interior with the red. Look at the Urus on the back of the screen. Yeah, that thing is nice. Yeah, look, we can catch it. Oh, I know you guys hear that. Where's that? It's got some juice. This thing is pretty nice. But we are in a vet getting some stuff done today before we gotta head out of town. And I just wanted to make a quick stop before we go back home and see what else we can get done today. My buddy actually wanted me to check out this car for him. So I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna check it out with you guys so he doesn't have to fly way out here and get something he doesn't like, man. So we're gonna go up here, check it out while we have some time. And I'm gonna catch you guys up there in a sec, man. Alrighty, we are just about here, guys. Let's pull up. Yes, sir. Lamborghini of Houston. It's a movie, man. Let's park up and see what they got for us, man. I can't wait. This is gonna be exciting. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to Lamborghini Houston. Y'all see where we at. Big Lamborghini sign. They got all the foreigns and stuff outside, man. It is a movie. I've never been in nothing like this. And oh my God. Now this is definitely a lineup right here. I'm not gonna hold you. That charcoal gray, it looks nice, man. Is that my guy Gene over there? What's up, man? How's it going? Man, y'all got a hell of a lineup in here, dude.
Thank you, man. Pleasure
nice
to finally meet you.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Likewise, man.
How's it going?
Man, it's going, dude. And it just feel like it got a lot better, man. This lineup.
We got some really cool cars, don't we?
Yeah, it's nuts. I haven't seen nothing like this in person yet, bro.
Absolutely. No.
That's
hey,
crazy.
I pulled that Urus aside for you earlier. You
bet.
Check it out?
Yeah, check it out, man. Let's check it out, man. So you guys know, you guys got to come to the best place when you're in Houston. And
absolutely.
This was like the best place on the list, man. We seen a bunch of side lots and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And I seen this one. I was like, oh, it's at a Lamborghini dealer and it's in Houston. It's a movie, man.
Absolutely. This is it, man. Check it out.
This is it, man. So
red, it has the matching red steering wheel.
Oh my goodness.
Calipers. And it has the rear entertainment screens on it that you don't see often.
Right, that's what you don't see often. That's why I was like, oh my God, this thing is crazy. Y'all see it here, 2019 Lamborghini Urus. This thing is incredible. I only seen a few of these in person up front like this. So this is going to be an experience.
This is a solid spec. That red steering wheel is an option. The two-tone interior is
as well. Oh my God. So how many you think came like this?
Man, really, so you'll find some with the red steering wheel.
Right.
So with this rear entertainment, I really can tell you it's not many.
It's not many,
actually,
huh?
In 2020, they discontinued that option. So
oh wow.
You
can't even get it.
Nope,
wow.
not at all.
That's nuts, man. You guys see the interior on this joint. Red interior with the red leather steering wheel. You got the two freaking dashes up here and the whole nine, man. We're gonna get in the back in a sec, but I just gotta check out the front. This thing is so cool, man. It's got the nice Alcantara like suede roof.
Alcantara headliner, sunroof up there. Banging Olufsen sound system.
So it sounds really good then, huh?
Best sound system I've heard in the car.
It sounds really good. Excuse me, man. This thing is freaking sick, man. Gene, this is how you gonna have us riding or what,
sure,
man?
Absolutely. We're gonna go for a spin.
This thing is freaking sick, man. I can't wait. Look at the Urus on the back of the screen, dog.
Oh yeah.
On the back of the screen.
That's one of my favorite things about this one when we took it in.
Yeah. This thing is freaking sick. Look at this right here. Oh yeah. I ain't never sat in no Urus, man, let alone sat in the back of one. This thing is crazy. Wow. Lamborghini in the headrest.
When you come around back, I'll start it up.
Yeah,
so you can hear it.
It's all good. Let's hear it, man. On them nice Pirelli tires. Ooh, let's hear it. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Definitely sound good. It's that V10. That's that V10. Man, that thing is nice. That's a nice color. So that's the V10, right?
Yes, sir. V8 twin turbo.
V8 twin turbo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That thing sounds good, man.
Sounds really good.
It sounds good. Let's see what's up with this trunk space. Where are we at with it? You know all the tips and tricks, man. You know this is my first time.
Probably locked. Hold on.
Let's see what we got, man. Man, they got, oh my God, look at the thing pop up on that. Now that's nice.
Yep.
Big Lamborghini on the emblem. Oh man, we missing the eye.
Oh, well.
I'm missing the eyes.
I'll get you an eye.
Lamborghini, man.
Lamborghini.
We in that Lamborghini today, man. Y'all see what's going on, though. I like this one. This color is nice. Nice interior spec. Got the screens on the back. You can open up the sunroof thingy for us.
Sorry?
How do you open up the sunroof for us? Let's check it out. You got the middle thing right here.
Also, now that the engine's warmed up a bit, the exhaust will actually
it'll sound a lot better, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. That thing sounds like a beast. Oh, yeah, I like this.
Panoramic roof.
Yeah, I like that.
Heated and cooled seats.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, this thing is nice. This thing is nice, man. I'm not gonna hold you. I have never been up close in a Lambo or nothing like this before, and this is like super different. You got all type of hand controls and everything up here, man. It's pretty sick. Oh, they got a nice little, they got some gauges right there we're gonna have to check out, man. So you know you're the Lambo guy, man. Yes, so sir. What's your favorite feature on the Lambo, on this type of Lambo in particular?
On the Lamborghini Urus?
The Urus. What do you think your favorite feature is in particular?
My favorite feature that it's gonna have to be the sound system.
The
I like
sound
the music.
system. Okay.
So the sound system that you can get in here in the Bang & Olufsen, you can't get it in any other Lamborghini.
Wow. Okay. Bet.
I mean, you can probably find them in other cars, but as far as Lamborghini goes, the Urus, once we test it out, you're really gonna notice how good that thing is.
Oh man.
Absolutely. You can't get it in a Huracan, you can't get it in a Aventador.
Oh wow.
Only on the Urus.
Only on the Urus. Man, we got some exclusiveness here, man. Y'all see what's going on. Now
There's so many good things about this car. Obviously the performance, being in an SUV that handles like a car and it's just as quick as most sports cars. But the sound system's got to be my favorite single option on this.
Right, yeah. Now this thing definitely makes a statement, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Yeah, I love the blackout. That's my whole thing. I seen another one and it didn't have the blackout. It was all red.
Some have like the red grill, right? And so this one has the black grill.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah. This one is nice. I like this one, man. So, babe, you about to do the honors for us, man? We taking a spin with you or what?
I'm gonna let you drive today.
You're gonna let me drive? Oh my God.
So let's do it.
It's a movie, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. My guy Gene said we could drive the Lambo, so I guess we gonna drive the Lambo, man. I was gonna let Gene slide it and show us his style, man. I was gonna let Gene slide it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, you know, I never drove a Lambo, man, so if you don't mind, you know. This is pretty intense, if you will. So what's the best mode on here? Where's the fastest one, right?
So we're gonna do sport today just because it's a little in between Corsa, which is race mode.
Right.
And we're gonna do
that's perfect. So to get this thing in drive, what do we do? Is it
this one? You're always gonna pull that right lever there. That's gonna put it in drive for you.
Okay, got you. Let's see.
All right, now we're in first gear. We're gonna drop the brake.
Okay.
Hold the brake. We're gonna release the parking brake, and we're good to go.
We're good to go. Oh wow. All right, let's see. I'm gonna seat up a little bit so we can see. They got the nice blue one. Y'all got some color options.
These are here for service.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna make a U-turn.
Righty. Let's make a nice quick U. And a Lamborghini Urus.
Yep.
Oh wow, this thing is crazy. I'm driving a Urus right now. This is.
And we're gonna head out to the feeder road. We'll just do one quick lap around the service road here.
See, I'm telling you, I was gonna let you take me for a spin, but the fact I'm getting a spin is even better.
You definitely got to be the one to test it out.
This is definitely even better. I can dig it. So we're gonna go to the light. You make it right.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the light. We'll make a left.
Oh, yeah. Now that's fast.
You turn up ahead. Absolutely.
That's fast, dude.
Far left lane, Ash.
Far left lane.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, you said make a left.
Yeah, we're gonna make a U-turn here.
Oh, U-turn. Got you. Yeah, this thing is pretty quick. So I have a C8, but it doesn't pull like that at all.
Yep.
It doesn't pull like that at all. know you guys hear that. That thing sounds crazy. So now, are you able to like pull the paddles in and go like the vet or no?
You can. When you pull both, then it puts it in neutral for you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're gonna kick back. Yep, and that'll put it back in gear.
Got
Absolutely.
you. Makes sense. Oh yeah, it's got a little kick to it.
Oh yeah, plenty of power.
Yeah.
Especially coming out of an SUV, right?
Yeah, it's different. Too bad we don't got a drag strip.
I know, right?
It's a nice car though.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the color for me, man. The interior.
Yeah, that red
nuts.
two-tone.
The interior is definitely just nuts. We're gonna bust a U here.
We're gonna make a U-turn, yes sir. Trying to find a good radio station for you to hear the radio.
Right, huh?
Trying to. This thing is not set up properly.
It's probably in the 40s.
It's in the 40s. I know that. Yeah, I'm trying to get there, but it's not even in order.
Got them in the 40s.
Yeah, it's not in order.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've played with it a bit. Typically, the 40s is where it's at.
It's got some juice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you
it's
go.
pretty nice. It's
And then we're gonna be on the right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty sick. You know, you watch all this stuff on YouTube where everybody else getting a Lambo,
Yep.
and when it's
When it's your turn.
when it's your turn, it feels surreal. That's for sure. It feels surreal. That is crazy. I like it though, man. I can't complain.
All right, and our entrance will be on the right.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, this thing is pretty sick, man. So now, do you have any Huracans around this price, or are Huracans a little bit more expensive?
Huracans right now have been a little more expensive, typically closer to the 300s.
Okay, gotcha.
I do have a red one on the showroom floor. I think we walked by it. Yeah. Cool.
So,
We'll put it in park. You're just gonna hit that P there.
I'll take that, my guy. I appreciate you, man.
Absolutely.
This thing looks freaking sick, dog. What y'all think about that test drive, man? Let your boy know right now in the comments below. I like this thing. This thing is pretty sick. This thing is pretty sick. Got the Urus on him. Urus on him. What y'all think, man? Should my buddy get this or what? Because this thing is pretty nice. This thing is pretty nice. I'm not gonna hold you. That thing is pretty sick, man. Well, I'm gonna check it out and I'll get back to y'all in a second. And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house, back in the garage. Got all the bikes and cars and everything in here, man. Both of the bikes are out of here. St. Louis, we on the way. North Carolina, we on the way. El Paso, we still waiting on some rims. But furthermore, man, we are on the way, man. I can't wait. Today was a hell of a day. We got the bike shipped out and all that good stuff. And not only did we send the bikes and stuff off, man, we actually went up to Lamborghini today and went and checked out the Lamborghini Urus for my boy. He's looking to buy one. So we got a chance to test drive that today. It was pretty fun. Real nice car, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Should my guy get the Lamborghini Urus, man? You guys let your boy know in the comments below. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, you guys know we added another prize to the giveaway, making it 4 opportunities to win 4 places. You guys know what it is, man. We giving away our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck, paired together for first place with our 2020 CVO Street Glide right here. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that joint, man. You guys know we just gave away the big 22 and the winner chose $50,000 cash and the motorcycle. So that's why we still have our dually truck. So with that being said, we'll be giving that away with this bike right here for first place. Yes, man, the CVO. Second place, we got our 2021 Silverado. That'll be paired together for first place with our 2020 Reese's Pieces Road Glide with the built 124 on that joint. Not only do we got first and second place, we got third place, which is our 2018 Road King in green right here. And then we got our fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide right here, man. You guys know how I'm coming with the everything regular oohs and ahs effect, man. All these things about to look freaking dope and great and all the above, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy this camo Everything's Regular hat or Everything Regular supporter patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, you guys know it's time to go up. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over there right now. Go get your entry. Meanwhile, man, we are back in the garage. It's a new day. It's time to go up, man. We got to put it together. I'll catch y'all in a sec. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time, guys. Peace.